Hello, guys, welcome to the Mishmash Madness. It's been a very long time that we've come on our channel and made a video. But that's because there was so much happening in our personal lives. All three of us got really, really busy. But today I came across a product that I thought was so awesome that I just had to come on this platform and share my reviews about the product. This is the first time that I've used the products today, and it instantly made a real special place in my heart, and that is why I'm making this video like after the first use. So today I am talking about this product. It's the Herbal Essence Bio Renew Hydrate Coconut Milk Shampoo and Conditioner, crafted by Bio Renew. It's antioxidant, aloe, and sea kelp included. Both the bottles are 400 ml, and this is the first time that I have used it. And as you can see, my hair is still wet. I've just gotten out of the shower, and while I was in the shower, I think I instantly fell in love with the product, and I thought I have to make this video and share it with you guys. So I was so conflicted about using this shampoo, because I was happy with the shampoo that I was using, and I've been using my previous shampoo for almost 2.5 years now, and so I was very disputed in my mind whether I should change the product and use a new one or not. And I had heard mixed reviews about the Bio Essence shampoos, but I thought, okay, maybe let's give it a try and let's just see how it goes from there. And so I ordered it from Amazon, and it was delivered to me yesterday, and I had to wash my hair today. So I washed my hair today with the Herbal Essence Bio Renew Hydrate Coconut Milk Shampoo and Conditioner. And so I'll give you a little info about the products first. So we'll go with the shampoo first. So the Hydrate Shampoo Coconut Milk Herbal Essence Bio Renew with an essential antioxidant helps purify and protect against what your hair gets used to over time. So basically it gives you soft, free-flowing hair, and it balances your pH. And the best part about these shampoos are these say that these are chemical-free and made from 90% products that are derived from the nature. So yeah, you have the ingredients and all of that. So I paid about 600 for the shampoo and 650 for the conditioner, and I had a combo discount from Amazon. So it wasn't I think it was about 900 something rupees that I had to pay for both the bottles. You can read about the ingredients and everything, that is information that is mentioned at the back of the bottle. But this is an honest review. This is unpaid, obviously. This is an honest review that I am giving you right after the first use. So I'll give you a little background. Okay, I had normal straight to wavy hair, which was extremely manageable with any shampoo or conditioner until last year. What changed last year is I had a baby, and after I had a baby, everybody said, after you have a baby, you have hair fall, your hair texture changes, and you really need to take care of your hair at that point of time. And I did not pay very too much heeds to whatever everybody said, but that came true. When my daughter was 3 months, I started having hair fall, and by the time daughter was 6 months, I had so much hair fall that my scalp from here, it was all visible. I was desperate to try anything, and I tried a lot of herbal things. I tried a lot of organic things. I tried a lot of homemade things. I used onion and all of that, and that is going to be a separate video. But after 6 months, my hair fall stopped, thankfully, and my hair started regrowing. When my hair started regrowing, I noticed that the texture of my hair started changing, and by the time I had hair on my scalp which was visible, which was contributing to the volume of my head, I had curly hair. Like, if you can see from here, this part, so the new hair that grew back became curly. and they became unmanageable. And overall, the hair texture of the texture of my hair, it changed to becoming coarse and unmanageable and dry, and it looked unhealthy. And of course, because I was busy with a small baby, I wasn't paying too much attention to my hair care and to my diet also. But having said that, by the time I realized it was high time, I did try a few other products also, and I have been desperately looking for products that made my hair happy, and I think I found it now. Today when I started washing my hair, the moment I started shampooing my hair and making that lather up, I could feel my hair getting softer. I shampooed my hair twice today because that's what I do. I shampoo my hair twice every time I go in for a hair wash. And I instantly felt hydration in my hair at that point of time with the shampoo itself. And then I put on the conditioner and let it be there in my hair for about 3 to 5 minutes. The moment I washed off the conditioner, my hair felt so soft, so hydrated, like some magic had happened. And that's so far. I mean, my hair is almost wet right now, completely wet because I just came out of the shower. And let's see how it turns up after it dries down. My hair dries down. I am going to air dry my hair. I'm not going to style it. I'm going to show you how my hair looks without any serum, without any heat treatment, without any styling, only after using this. But right now, for now, I think I love the way it has hydrated my hair. I mean, coconut, obviously, if you're using coconut milk, if you're using coconut oil, if you're using coconut shampoo and conditioner, it is essentially supposed to hydrate your hair, and that is what this is doing for me at the moment. But I think so far I am in love with it, and so far it has been really, really good. So I will show you the pictures and clip it of how my hair turns out after it dries down. But till then, I think I am in love. And since I know a lot of people are struggling, especially in this moist weather, I think a lot of people are struggling to find the perfect shampoo and conditioner that will naturally hydrate their hair. I think this is the answer to at least my queries, and let's see how it turns out. So my hair is all dried down now, and it's completely air dried. I haven't put anything, no serum, no nothing, and this is how they look right now. They definitely feel softer and more hydrated, more manageable. If you think my hair looks poof right now, they used to be poofier, trust me on that. But overall, I think I like how they feel. They feel soft and comfortable, and that noise in the background is my daughter walking, so please ignore that. But yeah, I think this product is doing good for me, and for the first wash, I think it's done a reasonably good job. And let's see how it reacts to my hair after I use it a couple of more times. But until then, I think I like the product, and I think it's made my hair softer, shinier, more manageable, no hair fall. It's not irritated my scalp, so that's a good thing, and that's a plus from me. So yeah, thumbs up. So if you liked watching our video today, please subscribe and like our video and hit the bell icon so that you are notified every time we upload a new video, which will be more often now, I promise. And so until then, bye bye.